Welcome back. Now what we can do is we can delete the content that we've added, and then Canva gives us access to other forms of content. To find it, we're going to go to this area, and we can add in any of these 7 elements from third parties. So for example, we can add in an embed. So if we have in the embed code from any of these services, we can embed something into this area. We can add in a TED Talk. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add in the TED Talk link here in this area. And we'll then click Add to Design. And you'll see then that our TED Talk is then added. And you'll see all of the elements, everything from SoundCloud to Twitter and then Facebook. And you'll see here that we have links where we can add in our emojis. We can add in specific Facebook photos. We can add in specific Instagram photos, or even photos from our Dropbox. We can add in YouTube videos as well as sites from Jiffy. And so what you have here is you have an extra element that you can use in order to add in content in order to customize your design. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, once we finalize the design, we can download the final image. We can do that by going to this arrow. I'm going to click on top of there, and you'll notice then that we have formats that we can use in order to download. We can download this image as a PDF. We can also download as a PNG file, as a JPEG file, or as a PDF print file. And of course, we can also translate this into an animation if we have Canva for work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to then click this element that makes this a PNG. We're then going to click the download button. Canva will then prepare the design, and then we'll have access to it on our hard drive. And you'll then be able to view the image from your hard drive. And you'll see the image here. As we said, we can also download this image as a PDF. So in this case, we're going to use the PDF standard. Canva is going to prepare the design. We'll then be able to download the PDF to our hard drive. Then we'll have access to view the document. We'll see that document then as a PDF here. We can also do a print quality PDF. So for example, we can click this link. We can decide to leave out the crop marks, and then we're going to click download. Now this one does take a little longer for Canva to prepare, but once it's prepared, we can then click this link. We'll have access to our print quality PDF. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another. Welcome back. Now, one way to output the content is to output it into a presentation. And we can do that by going to this drop-down arrow, and you're going to see that there's going to be a link here for a presentation. What we're going to then do is to click that link. You're then going to see that we can download it into a standard presentation, and we can also output it into a presenter view. So if we click the presenter view and then we click present, what you're going to see then is you're going to get a dialogue that will tell you what your audience is going to see. What you're going to do then is you're going to drag this into the area where you are going to be recording or that your audience is going to see. Now, assuming that you're using 2 screens, you'll then have the presenter window. This window will have your notes and everything that you'll need in order to make explanation of the actual image. And all you'll need to do then is to click Got It. You'll then be able to present this image along with the notes that you have. At the same time, your audience will be seeing the same thing, except they will not be seeing your notes. And that's how you can take any document that you're creating in Canva, and you'll then be able to use the presentation view if you have 2 screens or 2 ways of being able to display what you have. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, Canva does have a free upgrade for 30 days, and this is for the Canva for Work level of being able to use the platform. Now, the upgraded level does give you access to everything that you have with the free version, with the addition of the photo library, the ability to resize your designs, custom uploads, and then other features which you can see here in this section. The most prominent features are that you can download your designs with transparent backgrounds, as well as exporting designs as animated GIFs. So it's a good idea to start with the free version, since you do have access to the templates, as well as being able to upload your own images and having access to storage. And then if you find that you need any of these other features, they are available to you and you'll be able to upgrade in the panel. Now, as of the recording of this video, you'll see a $12.95 price. If you pay yearly, obviously, you're going to pay less in a lump sum. And we're going to start the course assuming that you have the free version. So if you choose to upgrade, once you see some of the other features, you'll be able to. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you can access your Canva account through your mobile device. Right now, we are looking at an iPhone device, and you can do the same thing with your Android device. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our App Store, and then we're going to search for Canva. And then when you see the application, you're going to click Get, and then Canva will download to your mobile device. Once it's downloaded, you'll click Open, and you'll then log in using your email and password. Once you do that, you'll then log in, and you'll then have access to the Canva dashboard. On the right-hand side menu, you'll be able to click the three dots, and you'll be able to create a custom-sized design. To create a new design, you'll click the plus button on the left-hand side, where you can choose the format. In order to see your existing designs, you'll click the right-hand side, and you'll be able to see them in this panel. Once you're in this panel, you'll be able to access the gear. That'll give you access to the upgrade, managing your team, and then the help section. And if you have a team, you'll then be able to access the stream by clicking the top link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, once you've logged into your account, you will have settings that you can configure. And you're going to go to this top menu, and you're going to have first your public profile. And what you'll be able to do is to click Edit Info, and you'll be able to update with your image, your website, and then your location if you choose to. However, you can leave all of this as the default setting and then just click Save Changes. What you can also do is edit your account settings. And it's here where you can sign out of all of your other devices. For example, if you are also logged into your mobile device, you can log out of that device from this page. You can also manage any billing that you have if you have in the upgraded level. Now, Canva will give you the opportunity to purchase premium images and other features once you are doing design. And so if you want to have access to some of those paid features, you can add in a credit card. Now, this is not going to bring you to the paid level. However, what it will do is it will give you access to some things that are only available by payment. And if you're working with a team, you'll be able to determine what that team is here in this area, as well as the billing contact for the team. There's also a tab for print orders. And what you'll see inside of the actual canvas is that you'll have the opportunity to print certain designs that you are making. And you will be able to order those designs and have them sent to you. And you'll be tracking those orders here in this area in your account settings. Now, finally, we're going to come back to the account tab. And if you feel as if you want to just deactivate your entire account, you can do that from this panel. All you need to do is to click this button that says to deactivate your account. And what you'll note is that this is not downgrading your account from the paid version. What you're doing is you are doing away with your account so that you will no longer be able to access your designs or even log into this account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one element you're going to see on your left-hand side is called the brand kit. When you're going to click access to that link. And this is an important enough element that even though it's part of Canva for Work, that you will actually know what it is. What you're going to be able to do with your brand kit is to indicate to Canva what your brand colors are in this area. And what you can do here is you can indicate 2 colors. If you want to go up to a 3rd color, you would need to upgrade to Canva for Work. However, you can use 2 colors as part of your brand color palette. Now, one important aspect of the brand kit is that you can upload transparent versions of your logo, which again would give you access inside of Canva to use them along with your brand colors. You can also set your brand fonts. Basically, what you're going to have access to with the brand kit is to be able to use your entire visual branding in any graphic that you create. And so in this area, what you're going to be able to do is to upload your own fonts. Once again, this is going to be part of Canva for Work and could be something that you might consider important enough to upgrade for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, you can collaborate with team members on designs inside of Canva. And to do that, you're going to go to your left side menu and click this link that says create a team. What you're then going to be able to do is to write in email addresses of individuals that you want to collaborate with in your team. Once you write the individual in, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to determine which role you want the individual to be in. If you want the individual to be an administrator of the account, you can switch them to administrator when you sign them up. Once you have your team members in, you can then click this button that says Send Invitations. Those individuals will then show up as being invited to your team. That individual will then have an email in their inbox with your invitation. All they'll need to do is to click that invitation to accept it. What they'll then need to do is to create their own account. They'll then click the Get Started button. And then they'll place in their email and their password that they want to use with their account. They'll then sign up with their email. What they'll then have on their home page is they'll have an email address that they need to confirm. They'll then need to go to their inbox to confirm their email. And their account will then reflect that they are part of your team. Now, that individual within your team will be able to create their own group to work on specific designs. If you come back to your invitation page and click the F5 button to refresh, what you'll notice is that you have a team page. And if you click All Members, then what you'll see then is the individual that you have invited will then be part of your team. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, the most important aspect of Canva is going to be the template system, which you can use in order not to have to design. And you'll see the range of templates that you have available to you. And it's going to be in this section that says Create a Design. And you'll see the different types broken down into sections: social media, documents, personal, education, marketing, events, and advertisements. Each section has multiple forms. So for example, you'll see everything from an Instagram post and social media all the way over to a YouTube thumbnail. When you click inside of one of the templates, you'll notice there are going to be different forms of that particular design, and you'll see them in this section. You'll also notice that you're going to see the word free written on some of them. That means then that if you like one of the other templates that doesn't have the word free, you can pay for that template in order to use it. And as you'll see in upcoming videos, we'll be able to change different elements of the templates by using this left-hand menu. And once you've started the editing process, you'll notice then that you have a section here at the bottom called Your Designs. And this will hold the edits that you have been making to your templates in this area. What you can also do to find the design is you can use this search engine, and you'll just write in the kind of post that you're going to be creating. What you'll then be able to do is to click that link. This will give you access to a specific kind of template where, again, you have choices between free and paid templates. And once you click in here, you're then inside of the canvas that you'll be working with and that we'll be covering for the rest of this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.